To the world, they were never equal. Arya always felt like her sister's shadow, and slowly this silence began to burn. One fateful evening, something happened.
People at school.
I'm sure you like what you saw right now. I'm here to show you how you can create such an amazing animation stories and earn close to $8,000 to $10,000 on your faceless YouTube channel. Yes, that is how much money you can earn by doing those kind of videos, because you know those type of videos are actually going to be captivating and get more views and more likes, and this is something you want to do if you want to grow on YouTube. At the end of this video, I'm going to play the full animation or the full story for you guys to watch and enjoy. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate like a short story or a 1 minute story about anything you want to talk about. So right here, I'm telling ChatGPT that I want my story to be about twin girls jealous about themselves and the likes. And ChatGPT generated a story for me, which was good, but not what I wanted. So you would want ChatGPT to give you a character dialogue between, like a dialogue between the characters involved, right? So this is what ChatGPT brought out, and I liked it, but I felt like the characters were a lot. So I went further to ask ChatGPT to list out the characters and give them names. This is something that you want to do, so make sure you're taking notes. Okay, make sure you ask ChatGPT all these things. I felt the characters were too much, and I asked ChatGPT to like tweak this thing and but give me story with little characters, and he gave me this and I really liked it, right? So after this, I went to tell ChatGPT to create a prompt for me to impute for generating these images or generating these characters on Google Image Effects. So it's going to create, like, give you a prompt that you can copy and paste on Google Image Effects. So it gave me this nice prompt for each character. So for Aria, this is the prompt that would be used to generate her personality or her person or her kind. And anytime you put this prompt, it gives you the same picture. You don't have to, like, it doesn't give you a different person, right? So it's for consistency. So it gave me tips for consistency and the likes. So after that, I thanked it and I went further to, like, what you're going to do is to go and copy everything about the story, from the storyline to the prompts that would be used to like identify each characters. Every single thing that you liked here, you copy it and go and paste it in your Microsoft Word or your Google Doc, anything that you use. Then after that, you go to your Google Image Effects and you go back to your Word documents, copy the prompt that it gave you to be able to create one of the character and paste it there. So when you paste it there, you can now tweak it. Maybe you can like add some few things, but don't change what is given to you. So you can just add some few things and make sure that you add animated, Pixar, and 3D. Those things are very important to create the type of animation that you want. So after that, it's going to give you something as beautiful as this, and then you can download it, right? You download the one you want. Okay, so you go back to your Google Doc and then copy the prompt for the second character and then paste it. That is if you want the two characters to be in the same picture. So it's going to, once you paste the two prompts together, it's going to bring out this picture where the two characters are in the same room, right? So you can just do that for each of your lines, and this is the pictures I was generating. These are all the pictures I got. So those pictures that have two characters in one photo, if you want to be able to make them talk, walk, or do anything, you need to separate them. And now let me show you how you're going to separate it. You're just going to go to Snap Edit. This is going to help you remove objects from photo, remove background and the likes. You click on remove object from photo, and then it's going to take a while to like load up. I think it's my network, but it's going to take a while. And when it loads up, it's going to look like this. And then you click on upload image. Then it takes you to your gallery, straight to your gallery, and then you pick the image, that image that has the two characters in one, right? And then you're going to like use your brush to clean up one character and it looks like this, then you download it. Okay, you're going to download it, and the next thing you're going to do is to bring back the same image, and then now you're going to clean up the second character. Okay, so when you clean it up, it will look like this, and then you save the new photos to your gallery. The next thing you want to do is to act out each lines, right? So I'm going to share a video of my own acting so you understand what I mean. I'm wearing this tomorrow. You should wear something different. We don't want people comparing us again. After that, you're going to take the video to CapCut to change the voice. So I'm going to extract the audio and then go to audio effects and change the voice to something different. Okay, so make sure you're using consistent voicing. So if you're using a character called Aria, make sure you use a voice just for Aria.
Look, I'm wearing this tomorrow. You should wear something different. We don't want people to compare us again.
So that's how to change the voice. Then after that, you need to download the video and then move to Dreamface app. This app will help you to like lip sync your animation. Your animation will be talking, right? Just bringing them to life. Then you want to click on photo lip sync, and then you're going to click on avatar. Then after that, you're going to click on the image you want to work with, and then you go to add script to continue. Click on import and click on from album. Then you're going to click on the video that you recorded,
I'm wearing this tomorrow.
it's going to extract the audio,
We don't want
right?
people to
And then
compare
after
us
that, you're
again.
going to click on animate. So you're going to click on animate and it starts working on the photo. And then the photo is ready. Let's check it out.
Look, I'm wearing this tomorrow. You should wear something different. We don't want people to compare us again.
Make sure you do this for other photos, right? And then after that, you're moving on to CapCut. This is the final stage. This is where you're going to merge all those videos that are talking together and do the editing that you need to edit. Add your narration, add your overlay, add your transitions, add your audio effects. Basically add the things that will make this video come to life. When you're done and you're satisfied with how it looks, you can now save it. Okay, for those of you who watched the video to the very end, I'm going to show you the full animation shortly. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Aria and Mira were twins, born just minutes apart, but to the world they were never equal. Aria always felt like her sister's shadow, and slowly this silence began to bond. One fateful evening, something happened.
People at school said I look like a model to me. That's crazy, right?
Yeah, that is crazy. Look at her. She had the spotlight, while I had nothing.
Look, I'm wearing this tomorrow. You should wear something different. We don't want people to compare us again.
You are right. We are not the same.
And that was the moment Aria decided she wanted to be the only one left. She gave her sister the poison drink.
Here is yours.
Aria, why are you so nice towards me today?
It's nothing, sis. I'm just doing what I should have done a long time ago. Enjoy!